Just to show you what the inside of the hotel looks like. So there are 4 floors, but on the top floor, I think there's only like 1, 2, or 3 rooms. But every other floor, well, the second floor and the third floor have rooms, and the first floor also has rooms. And yep, I'll take a peek. I'm sorry. This is the deluxe room that I was telling you about. So it's a little bigger than the standard one for those of you who are interested. And the normal rate is 1,400, but it's reduced to 1,300 according to a promo that I saw at the front desk. So, yep. You have your art, your vases, and it's pretty much the same setup. Do you guys still have the computers at the?
No more, sir.
No more. Okay. Before they had computer stations on each floor for those of you who wanted to use the internet and whatnot. Yeah. And you see that little area there? There's a TV. I used to watch basketball games there. I think that's what this gentleman is doing right now. So, yep. All right. So this is the inside of Tiger Hotel. All right. Thank you very much. This is Ariel Penn signing off. Adios. And if you come visit, tell Ruby I said hi. Adios. Bye.